Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. Negative 3x we change by negative 4x plus x. This one 6x we need to change by ax plus minus 2x. Next, we can do about factorization by number 2. This one by x. This one by number 8. This one by negative x. Now 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 2x we can do about factorization. This one by 2x. Now we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. Now we can put negative number 2 going here and here. And now we have the final answer. And we have 1/2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.